Niguo kugacirithia ugima mwega wa mwiri kuri muingi, mutumia wa mutongoria wa bururi Margaret Kenyatta ni arugoririe itena ria kana ria mubango wa Beyond Zero tauni-ini ya Engineer kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua umuthi. Mubango uyu uria urambiriirie muthenya wa ira na uria ugatirihwo muthenya wa rucio utanyitwo guthingiriria muingi kwiyandikithia na mubango uyu undumwe na kuoya kanya kauga guthurimwo mirimo niguo kuhota kuhitana nayo itanatherema muno mwiri-ini.
The aim is to make services more accessible to all Kenyans, as well as improving the pricing and availability of drugs.
Oho, Margaret ni agwetete murimu wa cancer ta murimu uri ugwati ungiaga kumenyeka tene kuri augite he bata wa kuongerera thibitari cia guthurima murimu uyu hatari marihi.
And I'm encouraged to see here today that many men and women have come out in large numbers for the free screening. Let us be proactive and embrace healthy, active lifestyles.
Atongoria matiganite ni megwikinyitie muthabara-ini uyu ari hamwe na governor wa county Francis Kimemia na minister wa ugima wa mwiri Cecily Kariuki kuria oritie thirikari cia county kunyitanira na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niguo kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri kuri muingi.
We will continue to be committed in partnering with the counties wherever they are to make sure that indeed that which needs to be done, that which the Kenyans desire in terms of healthcare is realized and in accordance with the promise and commitment made by His Excellency the President.
Kuhana uguo, Margaret ni arugoririe ruhonge rwa atumia na ciana thibitari-ini wa Engineer County Referral akiongerera kuga mubango uyu ndugutiga mundu o wothe na thutha hari kwamukira urigitani.